Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. The US stock market finished mixed on Friday, however all three main indexes closed higher for a second week in a row. Stocks were pressured on Friday after the reports showing the longer-term rate of inflation doubled in January to 1.3%, coming closer to Fed's 2% target and raising the odds of another interest rate increase soon. Only the Nasdaq Composite Index advanced at Friday's session, closing at 4,590.47. The tech-heavy index jumped by 1.9% last week. At the same time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped to the level of 16,639.97 and posted a weekly gain of 1.5%. The S&P 500 slid to the level of 1,948.05. For the week, the large-cap benchmark gained 1.6%. According to the second estimate of the US GDP published on Friday, the US economy expanded by 1% in the fourth quarter of last year on an annual basis. The first estimate had showed an increase but of only 0.7%. Separately, the Consumer Confidence Index from the University of Michigan in February fell to 91.7, hitting a three-month low. However, the figure came out to be better than the preliminary value of 90.7 points and an expected level of 91.1. Income and spending of the US consumer rose by 0.5% in January compared with the previous month, while analysts had forecasted incomes to gain 0.4% and spending to rise by 0.3%. An advance in oil prices boosted the equity market. Oil futures were buoyed by hopes that major oil producer would cut output. At the G20 meeting in Shanghai, China's top central bankers said Beijing wouldn't weaken the yuan eventually and would apply other sufficient tools to support the economy. Shares in JC Penny spiked by 15% on Friday after the department store chain delivered better than expected earnings and an upbeat profit forecasts. The company reported fourth quarter adjusted earnings of 39 cents, beating the consensus of 22 cents per share. Revenue totaled to $4 billion, up from $3.89 billion the preceding year and topping the expectations of $3.99 billion. Meanwhile, nutritional supplement company Herbalife shares railed by 21% after the company disclosed that a probe by the Federal Trade Commission may conclude soon. The billionaire activist investors Bill Ackman accused Herbalife of being a pyramid scheme and misleading distributors, misrepresents sales figures as well as selling a commodity product at inflated prices. You have watched the weekly stock market review prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV channel. See you later.